New Year's Day, and we're following a little bit of a storm system headed our way in the next couple of hours. Right now, it's cloudy across the Carolinas, kind of similar to the end of the day yesterday. Remember how those clouds streamed on in and it became more difficult to see the sunshine? That's what we have in place right now. Even as the sun rises, you'll see a little bit of filtered sunshine, but it's more of a gray sky than not as we work our way into the day today. Looking a little bit farther south, check it out. There's a lot of rain to be had in the Gulf of Mexico. That will be headed our way soon enough. And there's some other things we're watching across the country. Up here in the north, very cold air in the upper plains to the Rockies as well. But this is a little bit of a storm system. It's just in its infancy right now. This, though, will start to combine with the rain and moisture of the Gulf of Mexico. And both elements are kind of headed in the same direction. Both parts of the jet stream going to kind of phase and collide right here in the middle of the country. So for us, it means a bigger storm system than what we'd usually see. Futurecast has an hour-by-hour look at how this happens. For us right now, high pressure's in control, so we don't see the rain just yet, but eventually that rain will start to move in today ahead of the storm as it just starts to form later on tonight. I do expect a low pressure area right here in the Mississippi River Valley to kind of get itself going. So by tonight, the rain is already overspreading into the area, and that's just the start of things. Here we go a little bit farther along into Thursday morning now, and look at all the rain across North Carolina into Virginia as well. Some of this rain tomorrow morning could be pretty heavy at times as you head back to work. It's going to be a messy go of it tomorrow, in fact, but warmer with temperatures getting close to 60. That only lasts a brief period of time, though. The cold air is really what's driving this system, and that cold front will move through around dinner time tomorrow with scattered rain behind it. That's when it gets interesting. The cold air is so fast to move through that we could even see a little brief change over to flurries or some snow in parts of North Carolina tomorrow night. I wouldn't even be shocked for some of our counties to catch a little bit of a flurry, maybe around 2, 3, 4 a.m. or so. It would not stick, it would not accumulate, but it might be something that you could see in the sky. And that cold air, that's the big story behind it. High pressure builds on in. This will be the coldest air of the season that we've seen so far, moving in on Friday with high temperatures barely getting out of the 30s and overnight lows maybe as cold as the teens in places. Here's the rainfall that could be expected with the system. Not that much for the western part of the state, but for us, we could see more than 1 inch before it's all said and done with this next rainmaker. Out at the beaches today, it's okay, but we are seeing intensifying waves and winds as we work our way into tomorrow. 57 for your high today. The clouds thickening up, so don't expect to see much sunshine. Showers could move in as early as the late afternoon. Overnight tonight, the showers are there, on again, off again stuff with temperatures in the 40s, and it could be heavy as we head into your Thursday. That rain is a very good bet, about a 90% shot at it. 60 for your high temperature. Friday, that's when the cold moves in. Sunny, though, with a high temperature barely at 40, and it's breezy, so it feels like the 30s. It's just going to feel like the middle of winter. No other way to put it.